How are you guys? I'm Syed Usama Saifuddin. We have seen in the previous video presentation of ERD diagram, and for this video I will show you the program as overview. So let's begin. So we have login form here. Uh, Login form have username and password. And remember me to save the username and the password to reduce the time to connect in the system. So to start, you must go to the login. So start, go through the login, and we have the program interface, the main form. Main form, we have the time and the date, the current time and the current date. And here we have the user connect, which the user is connect for this program. And we have here simple dashboard and people section, user section, and you have here application and transaction and transaction list. And we have here button to disconnect for this program. So let's start to see the people section. We have here to start to add any client or any user. We must add a person first. We need to add a person first. We need to add first name, last name, and birthday, phone number, countries. We must here select the countries, national number, and is female or male, and email and address, email address and the address. And we set here image if you have for the client or the user image, and we click save. So that's it. And we have here find person. The find person, when we click, we have here user control to able to find and get the program very performant. So when we type the person ID like this, we don't have any person, and to check another ID also, and we click 11, select 11. We have here we display for you the essential information about ID number, full name, national number, mail, address, birthday, and the image. If they have image, and you can add another person here. Select another person to add and save, and we refresh the find form here. And we have here the manage people management able to update, delete, and get details about person, and add also, and do the filter about any people have registered in this program. So we have person ID, national number, full name, nationality, gender, phone, and email. So we have here get a filter and with national number also work, and etc etc etc, and we can add a person here. We select, we call the same function, the same form here, a new person. That's it. Also can delete, click, right mouse click, and you add a new, show details, edit, delete, show details, how we give us the details for the person, and when we want to edit, we'll go through to edit, form, the same form, add a new person, but it's loaded for the current person, and delete. So we go through to the user section. User section, it's like the person section that we want to add the password and the username, and if the user is active or not. To click here, we must select person, exist person ID, and we go here the login info. We must here put the username and the password, and confirm the password until we selected next. When select next, we'll able to enable true to load this text area. And here we have change password. Also, it's like the update section, and here to user management. The user management, you can edit the password and edit information, and here to you get information, user information here, add new user or delete user. So here I didn't add the form because it's very workful in add the change the password in the management form. It's very practical to add here, change the password here. And we have the client management. Now client management also have the same procedure in the form people management. You have here, you can information, delete, update, etc 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 to get more details. So have here also find client to put account ID and research. Know how many have a dollar. Dollar is a local currency, and euro amount, euro currency. Who is create this client card, and if he is active or not. So let's see here. We give us, no, we forget which ID. So So we select this account ID, will give us the account ID number, the person ID and application ID, and the full name and creation date for the client, account client, the expiration date, and also dollar deposit, how many deposit they have, the euro, the local currency, dollar currency, and euro currency, and who is the user create this client card info, and if he is the active or not this account. And here we go through application. We have application management and creation local, create local account and create local and euro account, update local and euro account, update local to local and euro account, and renew account. So when we have here, we have the application management. Application management, we have the ID, the full name, and application name. They was performed, and the fees and who the user is perform this application for each application. And that's it. You can here get info or update to local account to local and euro account, and renew, and etc. etc. You can here create local account, client account, and here create local local and euro account. And here doing some filter with application ID, full name, application name. And here for transaction and the new amount, withdraw and transform local amount, and transform euro amount, transform euro amount. And we have here the list of transaction, we have here the list for all transaction system. And to get more details, we go the history, uh, the history table in the database, the history table. We click here to get more details about any transaction, for the transaction ID, transaction name, and account ID, and the account receiver ID, and the currency, which currency we will do have doing the transaction, the local amount, and uh, the euro amount we have transfer and or add or withdraw. This make our system more have more details, and that's it. For the next video, we will introduce the code through Visual Studio Code, and we have see each port for the program with coding. I will explain for the coding section and the form section together.